Agriculture and industries in India. Agriculture. Agriculture is the process of growing crops, fruits, and vegetables. It also includes rearing animals. It is a major occupation in India, with more than 70% of people involved in it. Due to different climates and soils, India grows a variety of crops. Agriculture provides raw materials for many industries. Types of crops. India has two main types of crops. Rabi crops grown in winter, including wheat, gram, mustard, barley, and pulses. Kharif crops grown in the monsoon, including rice, maize, groundnut, jute, and cotton. Cereals and food grains. Cereal crops provide food grains. Major cereals are rice, wheat, maize, and millets. Wheat grows in dry climates in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. Rice grown in hot, rainy areas like Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Maize, the Kharif crop grown in Bihar, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh. Pulses gram, moong, arhar, and masoor are grown across India and are rich in proteins. Millets jowar, bajra, and ragi grow in dry regions like Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Cash crops. Crops grown for export are called cash crops. Sugarcane used to make sugar and jaggery, grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Bihar. Tea grown in Assam, West Bengal, and Karnataka, called the Queen of Beverages. Coffee and cocoa grown in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Oilseeds includes groundnut, mustard, coconut, and sesame, grown in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Spices includes black pepper, clove, and turmeric, grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Cotton used for cloth making, grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. Jute, called the golden fiber of India, grown in West Bengal and Assam. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits like mango, apple, banana, and oranges are grown all over India. Green Revolution. The Green Revolution helped increase food production through better seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation. Farmers received loans and modern tools, making India self-sufficient in food grains. Livestock rearing. Livestock includes domestic animals used for food, fiber, and work. Milch animals like cows and buffaloes provide milk. Oxen help in farming, and sheep provide wool. Poultry farming involves rearing hens and ducks for eggs and meat. Industries in India. Industries turn raw materials into finished goods. They help in the development of the country. Examples include steel, cement, and textile industries. Factors for industry growth. Raw materials from plants, animals, and minerals. Capital needed to buy land, machines, and pay salaries. Human resource, skilled workers run machines. Power industries need electricity or fuel to operate. Transport, raw materials and finished goods need transport. Machinery used to make products. Types of industries. Industries are classified based on size and machines used. Cottage industries, small industries at home using simple tools. Examples: pottery, pickles, baskets. Small-scale industries use small machines and employ more people. Examples: furniture, soap, bicycle parts. Large-scale industries use big machines and require large resources. Examples: steel, textiles, automobiles. Industries and agriculture together help India grow and develop.